loves, I'm Adrian Justine, also known as southfloridabraids Braids on Instagram. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these river curls crochet by Trendy Tresses. So the first thing you're going to need is the hair. I ended up using 4 packs, and this hair is very voluminous, so 4 packs is more than enough. And you're also going to need a crochet needle and a pair of scissors. So the braiding pattern is really simple. It's 12 small braids at the front going back, connected to 6 bigger braids at the back, and 1 braid going across at the front. And that one is going to give you the option for a bang or side bangs, which I ended up using. So this is technique number 1. It's a regular crochet loop, and you're basically taking thin pieces of the hair and bringing it under the braid with the crochet needle. And taking both pieces of the ends through the loop and knotting it about 6 times to keep it secure, because this is loose hair. Here is a close-up of how to do the looping and knotting it 6 times. So you're just gonna do that for the entire back portion of your head. And then when you get closer to the front, you're gonna start doing the second looping method, which is an invisible crochet loop. So here, you're gonna take an even thinner portion of hair, and you're gonna pull the hair under the braid. And instead of looping both pieces of hair through the loop, you're only gonna take 1 piece, and you're gonna knot that piece of hair about 4 to 5 times, and then you're gonna pull it tight. And here you can see that when you put down the other part of hair that didn't go in the loop, it's covering the knot. So that is a technique for the invisible loop method. So this is one of the anchor braids for my part, and so every single piece of hair that I'm crocheting into that cornrow, that anchor braid, is gonna be the invisible loop method. For the braid, for the cornrow that is for the bang option, you're also going to do the invisible loop method, but you're going to start by pulling the hair towards your face and doing the invisible loop method in this direction. And then when you get to the bend, since I am doing a side part where most of my hair is going to be falling to one side of my face, I'm going to change the direction once I get towards the bend right here of that braid. So now I'm going to be pulling the hair to the side where my hair is going to be laying. So I hope that makes sense. And then finally, I'm going to finish the last anchor braid of the part with the same invisible loop method, pulling my hair towards the side where my hair is gonna be laying. So you always want to pull the crochet needle to the side where you want your hair to lay. So this is how my hair is looking when all the invisible loops have been completed, and then I'm just gonna do some finishing touches by trimming up and shaping up the hair. And that is it. Here are the final results. I really love this hair, so definitely check out Trendy Tresses. I will leave all the details on this hair in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.